All right, next day, battery's charged. Replaced that spark plug that I errantly broke, and going to. I squirted a little bit of gas right into that cylinder with the new spark plug. Let's see if that works. That's annoying. So I'm wondering why the heck I can't get this thing to start. All the trouble I've been having, and I just decided to check, and there's no spark. So I'm like, how did I lose spark now? And then I got my little jury-rigged wiring set up here, and I was picking this up and moving it, and I heard a clicking noise. I heard a clicking noise coming out of the distributor area here somewhere. And I could move the wiring, and I could make the click come and go. So I've got something messed up with my wiring here. So I've got to resolve that before I go any further. All right, I took care of this wiring issue, I'm pretty sure. So now I'm going to hook the battery back up. All right, spark is back. Go ahead, crank it. There we go. All right, hold on. Here, watch the start. Try it again. That should be in neutral. I also don't understand why the that's not in neutral. I don't understand why the had water coming out of that hole and stopped.
None of the bad connection
Water thing.
Neutral now.
There you go. That should be neutral there. I think by default this goes in reverse or something.
Why?
I think the theory behind it was that if like your cable broke, your shifting cable broke, you could limp home. No, that would probably be forward. Well, whatever. But water should continue to come out of this hole right here. Let's see if it restarts. didn't like that. It stalled, but that might be just because I'm not really feeding it enough fuel. Once those fuel pumps start really going. This thing's such a gas hog. Yep, bone dry. We ran out of gas, that's what happened. We're not going to mix any more gas for this motor until we get it on the boat. I think I'm pretty much satisfied that I think it's going to run again. So I think the next move is going to be to support this from a chain fall or something so that I can change out this broken bracket. Once I change out that broken bracket, we'll be able to mount this back on the boom. I can't see it's on this side. Down here. See the ends? These are snapped off. Broken off right there and right there. There's supposed to be a bolt hole there and there where a bolt goes through and bolts it to the motor, to the boat. The bolt goes through here. Might be one on the inside. Yep. There's 1, 2, 3, and probably 3 on the other side. 4, 5. There's 6 bolts that go through the transom.
Yeah, just screw holes into the transom of the boat.
Not screw holes, drill holes.
Yeah, drill holes.
Yeah, and also have to block up the holes that are on it now, because the holes that are on it now are for whatever motor was on there. It's not going to chew your fingernails. Because when you scratch your butt, it gets under your fingernails, and now you're chewing it. So let's turn the water on and just see if it restarts now that I put more gas in it. That would really warm my heart to hear that it, still does that. Of course not. Alright, start choking it. See how it's starting to... Sounded like it was going to go. Let's start easier than that.
Maybe because it wants you,
Because it was dry, maybe?
Yeah.
Huh?
Probably empty.
Not that quick.
Who knows?
Put the water off. There's no way it sucked it down that quick. Oh, it did. How much did I pour in there?
Well, this is almost empty.
Well, wasn't much in there. I thought I put more in it than that.
This is still almost empty.
Well, I mean, it could be something else wrong. But I honestly think it's just we got a really small opening coming out of that fuel tank. And I think when we give it the full RPMs, you got two fuel pumps that start sucking that out of here as quick as it can to get it into those carburetors. That's what I'm hoping anyways, that's all it is. All right, that's going to be it for now.